Hey, what's happening everybody? This is Royce from Pedal and Metal. Welcome to my channel. Today I have a 1/64 scale Mercedes-Benz transporter set, and this is from Norev. This set contains the 1955 Mercedes race transporter and W196 streamliner. So that's kind of like a little extra bonus that comes in the box. And I want to thank Fireman Food 1988 for pointing this set out to me, and I had purchased it directly from Germany, and with shipping and everything it was all on, I think it was about $19 US for the whole set, so not bad at all considering what you're getting here. This thing is awesome in person. It's really nice. So we'll go ahead here and take a close look. I had it spinning around there earlier. We'll look at the vehicles here. The transporter itself is in the famous French blue color. It's almost like a French blue. It's a multi-piece casting, or appears to be anyway. It does feature a plastic base and hard plastic tires. I like how they did the blue on the wheels there. It's really nice with the caps. Now the whole back end here, none of the ramps, none of this, it doesn't appear to be functional in any way, but it's still awesome. These are licensed models. Obviously it has the Mercedes emblem in the front, so I'm kind of bummed out it doesn't have the racing department logo on the side, the white Mercedes font. Kind of bummed out about that, but so I wish it had that tampo on it. Back end looks great. Overall, I love how they did this back glass and everything. The whole thing is just really cool. Take a look at the W196. This is metal with a plastic base, hard plastic tires. The wheels could be a little bit better on it, but I think for the money, it's really nice. We'll probably most likely detail this, so we'll have a video on that, how to, with just a few simple things, how to make it look a lot more realistic. And I think it'll go a long way to improve it. Overall, I think it's nicely done. The silver paint looks really good. Fits nicely on the back of the transporter. The transporter's paint's really nice. It's just a shame there's a little mark on the roof there or actually it's right here. It's like a tiny chip. So unfortunately, I don't think there's gonna be much I can do about that chip. So that's kind of unfortunate, but I highly recommend this. It's a shame we can't buy this in America. I mean, you can, you just have to order it from overseas. But I highly recommend it, and I want to thank Fireman Food 1988 once again for pointing this out. He had it on his Instagram page and talked it up, and I went ahead and ordered it, and it took a month or so to get here, but it was well worth it, and I think you'll like it too. So thanks for checking it out. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. All right, bye now.